Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn your photos into a cinematic one using TikTok. So you don't need a professional camera or expensive software. Here I'm going to show you the easiest mobile-friendly secrets to make any regular photo look like a shot from a Hollywood movie. So you can start by opening a TikTok on your mobile, and in here you can just tap on a plus button and add your photo to TikTok. So for example, in here I'm going to use few photos like this, and then you can just tap on next. Now head into filter, click on filter and find the film category. Now choose the saturated film options. So it will show like this. Now you can adjust the intensity using the slider, and this is how it will look like. This is the first photo, and you can just repeat the same steps for all of your photo if it's more than one. So as you can see, this is the before and here's the after. It looks better with the effects. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.